What's up? Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and share this channel, because you know every day we lit and every day we getting littier.
Hey everyone, so pretty much today is going to be a quick little vlog. I am going to Soda City. If you don't already know, I live in Columbia, South Carolina, and this is going to be my first time going to Soda City. It's something that they do every Saturday, and it is from, I believe, 9 a.m. until 1 p.m. And so they have a lot of vendors, food. People are able to sell things out there. So again, like, I've never been. This is gonna be my first time, and I'm really excited, and I am also glad that I can bring you guys with me so you can get a little taste of Columbia. I'm waiting on my sister right now. She's been before, so I'm just waiting at her office so that we can go together. So yeah, like, there is this this thing called island noodles, and they're so good. I'm gonna insert a picture so you guys can see just how good the food looks. But it's basically it looks like lo mein, but it's got a lot of vegetables, it's got meat. You can get it without the meat, but it's just so good. Like, it's an undescribable flavor. So yeah, I hope that they're out here before, because one of my friends actually brought me noodles from there before, and they were just amazing. So stop. I have on a Akatsuki hat. So if you're an anime watcher, like, you will definitely love my fit, but if you're not, you're gonna be like, why the hell she got that on? But it's okay, because it's my style. But so I got this hat from Amazon. I'm thinking about getting it altered, specifically because it is taking my blood pressure. It is super tight, but I mean, it looks so cute on. So, like, I don't know. And then I have Coach released, which you guys probably seen this bag before, but Coach released a Nardo line, and so I have shot and gun bag, and I love my little fit. But I am gonna see you guys when my sister gets here, and then we're supposed to meet up with my mom for lunch in a little bit. Protesting outside.
They probably brought some city. Over there at the city house. I was going to photo shoot. I didn't walk all the way down there.
We are en route. I don't think we can walk yet. Bitch, we can't walk yet. No, we didn't. There's someone about to go it. Oh, God. See? About to get me fucking killed downtown.
We did. I knew there was a part we could have. I knew there was. I was trying to just think that there was parts on this show. Everybody coming from the show.
I know there's somebody. Oh, yeah. Ceramics.
Yeah.
That would be something fun to do. I used to love ceramics in high school.
Yeah. You did everybody cookie.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, and share this channel, because you know every day we lit and every day we getting littier. Okay.
Period.
Put that on flat. Okay.
Hey.
All right, y'all good.
Bye. Oh, that's so funny.
That was cute.
He came out.
Michael was so jealous today when I told him we were going on down to Soda City. He said, next weekend I'm going to Soda City. What are you doing today? I ain't gonna tell you.
All right, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. It's a lot of people out here, a lot of tents, different things.
It's a lot. Are we down there? Are we down here?
It doesn't matter, whichever way you want to go first.
We're gonna start this way and go up. I want to know what food was that.
We are at Soda City and we are looking for some snacks because I am starving. So they have artwork, different kind of things out here, little businesses. Each other, right?
What's your name? What's
Toby.
your name?
Fuck you, Toby.
Kick you.
Alright guys, this is the famous Nickelodeon Theater that is downtown. I have yet to go, but you can watch movies and things like that there. And then we have some vendors with some artwork. Girl, you better walk into the... So I see vegetables and things down this way. Yeah, I want some vegetables.
You want to go over there?
Yeah. I wonder if you just have to have cash. Hey, how are you?
Everybody give me a bunch of stuff.
And everybody give you
Strawberries.
Do you guys, is it cash only or do you take card? Good. I need a basket or something. So right now I need like a basket or something because I want to get some vegetables. There's also some strawberries here.
Can we get like a bin or no?
Yeah.
Bag? Okay.
Bag.
Okay. You get a bag, Sean. You put your stuff in the bag.
I just got some lemons.
How much is carrot?
That's $1? Dollar each. Dollar.
And all this stuff is fresh market, all natural, from the garden, farm.
It is.
I don't think I have any tomatoes. I do want a tomato.
I got 760.
Peaches are $10 a basket. You know what? I know you grab some of them strawberries while you up.
Yeah, I was going to tell you. If you eat strawberries. Huh?
It's the bottom of the barrel. They look like the bottom of the barrel. I literally go put all these strawberries out and pick out the ones I want.
So silly. So,
How much are the strawberries?
They're $6 a basket.
We're gonna listen to them. They yelling.
So it would appear we were able to get our we were able to get our vegetables and stuff. However, I don't think they have the noodles out here, and it's okay. So
Go back to the ISIS. Yeah, let's stay in the middle though. Get in the middle. Let's not
she wanted to get in the middle so those guys don't preach to her again.
everybody take tomorrow.
Alright, so we are now gonna wrap up Soda City and we're gonna go get ices. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Hopefully you saw some really cool stuff. And I will see you guys next vlog.